Ever feel your personal computer grinding to a halt mid-task, with tabs freezing while you desperately juggle edits and streams? One creator nearly threw his entire setup away during a deadline crunch, his browser, Premiere Pro, and Discord all choking at once. The Intel Core i7-14700's 20-core hybrid setup changes that entire vibe. What's your biggest slowdown story? You know the feeling. Deadlines biting, stress surging, burnout looming as your renders crawl, and games stutter under load. It's visceral, that lag stabbing right through your creative flow. But now, picture effortless control. Picture the Intel Core i7-14700, with its 8 performance cores at 5.4 GHz turbo, plus 12 efficient cores, slicing through the chaos without added heat drama or complexity. Clarity is incoming. Can you feel that smooth hum yet? What's stressing your setup right now? Let's meet the processor. This is the Intel Core i7-14700, the 14th generation desktop processor breakthrough. It blends 20 cores, 8 blazing performance cores plus 12 efficient E-cores, for a total of 28 threads. This architecture delivers snappy gaming, turbocharged rendering, and truly seamless multitasking. It achieves turbo speeds up to 5.4 GHz on a single core for frame rate dominance, and around 5.3 GHz across all cores for production wins. Its 33 MB Intel Smart Cache slashes latency. It supports both DDR5, 5600 and DDR4 memory to amplify your system speed. It unlocks PCI Express 5.0 to unleash the fastest solid-state drives and graphics cards. It uses the LGA 1700 socket, dropping into Z790 motherboards after a simple BIOS update, and its integrated UHD graphics, 770 handles, all the basics. Here's the real-world impact. A busy 3D artist almost missed a major client deadline, with exports dragging on an old i7 system. Swapping to the i7-14700 halved his render times in V-Ray. The entire vibe shifted from panic to pure flow, to that satisfying whir of sustained power. That's the sensory rush of silky smooth thread juggling. It's a complete narrative pivot from stutter to surge. There are no cloud gimmicks here, just raw, on-chip hybrid magic making workloads melt away. A common objection: hushed, is it power hungry? With solid cooling, its 219-watt turbo power limit is precisely where it thrives. Your rig's secret weapon is waiting. Efficiency simply skyrockets with the Intel Core i7-14700. Renders fly 20 to 30% faster than the previous i7-13700. Your focus sharpens via performance core precision, and its performance crushes benchmarks in Blender and Handbrake, while gaming performance ties the much more expensive i9-14900K. Listen to the consensus. An expert raves, quote, beats a stock i9-13900K in multi-core tests, the sweet spot king. An influencer beams, quote, export time slashed, best for gaming plus streaming rigs. An analyst notes, quote, puts pressure on the competition, performing less than 10% behind the top i9 at half the cost. A user who upgraded shared, quote, my Premiere Pro 8K exports are 42% quicker, with zero hiccups while multitasking. My personal take: paired with a high-end graphics card, it delivered power effortlessly. This leads to a simple, slightly controversial question. Why chase far pricier chips when the 14700 delivers 95% of the top i9's punch? The final objection: does it run hot? To reassure, a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler or a high-end air cooler like the Peerless Assassin tames it effectively. Its hybrid architecture weaves real magic. Imagine that hypnotic clock spin. Feel the rhetorical thrill. Are you ready to dominate? Which workload would you unleash it on first? Intel Core i7-14700 Real-World Proof. Unlock 5.4 GHz turbo for ultimate multitasking. The Intel Core i7-14700 shines with real, tangible benefits. Its hybrid design, 20 cores and 28 threads, powers creators through complex edits, gamers to high frame rates, and professionals to faster renders. You can join the enthusiasts who are already seeing those dramatic speedups. Experts consistently confirm its multi-threaded edge over last-generation rivals. If lagging tasks and frustrating bottlenecks are holding you back, this processor unlocks a smoother, more powerful workflow on modern LGA 1700 setups. A straightforward, transformative upgrade awaits.